What's up, guys? Now, part 4 of this rear end rebuild. I bought my drift car, crashed. It had a BMW engine in it. I built this 2JZ, which currently have 533 horsepower, and I decided to cut the rear end after I crashed it again while drifting. So I had part 1, which was cutting everything of this sequence of the videos. The part 2, I made the main frame. Part 3 was one before this video, which we made the brackets for the battery and a few other brackets to hang the light. Finally, on this video, we're gonna make the bash bar. So let's make it quick and entertaining for you guys, so you can see how my drift car is gonna be ready to go. So I got this metal plates pre-cut for me. This goes in one of the side of the bar, the other side of the bar, and in the center of the bar. We're gonna start by this one in here. So we're gonna put one right here, weld, one on the top, weld. Okay, so this is the idea right here. So we have that. We have one of the pipes is super hot. I'm not gonna touch it. So this would allow, if I crash, if I touch the wall, that's gonna move a little bit. It's not gonna throw my car in the wall, because you know it pulls you to the wall. And the other thing is, if it crashes, if it breaks, I can just take one of the bars, one side out, and make another one. So 5, this is what we have. Check it out. One for each side. This has one side has a hole, and it just fits right there. This goes in the middle right there. So we fit it in there. And I'm doing section by section. There you go. And look at that. I don't want to take it yet because the bumper is going to fall. So from there, we're going to have another one coming all the way to here. So I gotta weld the other side now. So basically I just need to pull this out. It's the bumper is supporting right there. Kind of looks sick, doesn't it? There you go. Stick it out. I'm gonna do the last cut. The only thing I need to be sure this is level, and we just do it. All right, look at that. So I have 2 of those, one on each side, and I'm gonna try to show you here. We go on the angle. It's gonna be easier with the bumper off, but it goes like this. Gonna do a little trick I learned in Brazil. This is sick. Wow, look at this thing. It is amazing. Can't believe I did it. That's it right here. You can see it right there. I took the nuts already out, but there's a couple bolts per section. There's 2 sections. You take the bolts out and your bash bar is out. You have access to whatever you want. You put back into place. If something goes wrong and you crash, you just make another one and put in place. I'm gonna go inside, do my stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the last one, so there are 4 parts. Look down here in the description. For now, that's it. The next few episodes is going to be rebuilding the bottom end of the car, the bushings for the differential and all that stuff. So I'm gonna shut up and go. Later, guys.